Guys, prepare with me this stone design using a stone board. You can see the design on the table there. It comes, we have the boards in different designs, and then the materials you'll be needing are the stone board, the pen, that's the stone picker, and as well as the sheet, the alt fix tape. We call it the alt fix tape, or the stoning sheet, like, yeah. So you see what I'm doing here is just to spread the stones. You pour the stones on your board and then spread it out as well. You don't just use your hand, you use a sponge. You will see the, as we go in the tutorial, you will see the sponge I'm talking about. You make use of your sponge to spread the stones on the stone board, covering the pattern in order to fill up the gap, the spaces there. So after doing that, you pack the remaining stone. You still use the same sponge to pack, put aside the remaining stone, like you brush the remaining away from the board in order to be able to see the places that needs to be filled up, just as you see me doing in the video. So that is a stone picker. You see me using the white pen is a stone picker. You use it to fill in the gaps, because you don't expect everything to fill up immediately. There will still be some spaces. Yeah, just as you can see there, you still need to fill up some spaces yourself. So you use a stone picker to pick your stones and fill in those holes or gaps. So after doing that, you want to pack your stone after filling up the whole board. Yeah, that's what I've just said. You fill up those spaces there. Yeah, you fill up those spaces using the stone picker. That will make it quicker actually. So after that, you want to pack your stone, transfer it on a transfer sheet. Yeah, this is a transfer sheet. It comes in this form. Some comes as a yard. They cut it already in yards, depending on where you're getting it from. So after cutting the part that what I want for the length, you see, you need to determine the length you want. Then I did cut it out. What you will do is to open it. You see, you have to open it out that way. Then from one end, you want to gently put it down that way. Then using your hand to guide you so that you don't, the whole stone don't mess up, like just scattered. So you just do it that way and then press it on, still using your sponge to pack the stones on the board. The essence of the sponge, pressing on the sponge on your transfer sheet in order to pick up the stones on the board. So that's what you see me do there. And then after doing that, I'm doing one side at the moment. I'll do the remaining behind the camera. So you want to open it out and see if it's already packed. If not, you use the other finger to press your transfer sheet on the board, just as you see me doing. By so doing, it will pick up the stones from the board. Yeah, it will pick up this. Sometimes you still have some stones still left on the board, but by doing that, applying that method of using your finger to press it on, hold it with one hand and use the other finger to press it, there we have our zigzag design. What I actually need is just the zigzag design for what I want to do. Yeah, I'm thinking of just putting a stone on the boo jacket you see on the mannequin, just on the ashoke side, the plain material side, part of it rather. So that's what you see me do, and there we have it. If you're not ready to use it, you cover it back